This is of Mexico. And also one media guy here. So this is the climate here, down here. It's like total people out here. So this is the entry where we have so many outposts here. I don't know where. It's not for shooting as in games. It's just for looking at people. So this is where.
Oh, let's go there.
Let's go there. Yeah, of course. So we are going to that post. So these are these outposts which I was talking about, and we have plenty of people roaming here and there, standing on the outpost. Some people are doing the namaz, and it's raining. Go to. Okay, we got into the second outpost, and this is meant to be where we have to view this view of this thing. See, Tejas is getting a nice. So these are the beautiful views we can see from here. So there are two wonderful views around here, and now people are right beside me. So this is the valley where we can walk and go and see. മാറുമ്പോൾ നേരത്തെ അതുപോലെ ഓരോന്ന് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. അങ്ങനെ ഇട്ടിട്ടുള്ളത്. Put like that only. Yeah, now I can see little bit. See. Little bit.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's there. Oh God. Yeah, I got it. എടുത്തു